2, 1, go.
558's going to start in the middle, grabbing some fuel, bringing it back home, shooting it up, getting it in there during their autonomous. Human players for the Red Alliance are making lots of their shots, getting it in. 5142 Robo Dominators, will they get a shot off before autonomous ends? Not sure. Time expires. Blue has won that autonomous, which means they'll get the advantage. They won't have to go first, but they still have some time here where they could score a little more. As you see, that Blue Alliance hub is flashing, and it's done. Now it's Red. Red's turn. Red wants to fire the fuel in there during this time. On the Red Alliance, we've got 11409, the Alchemist's return. They're in the middle of the field, trying to shuttle fuel back to their side to get that fuel where they can actually be scoring it. 10266, that's the Galvanized Goats. It looks like they are stuck on the bump, having a little bit of mobility problems, trying to enter the Blue Alliance zone. And now it's Blue's turn, and 558 is firing away, getting their shots up there. They have pretty much doubled the score of the Red Alliance currently. They're working together. 5142 Robo Dominators now. Their shooter is working really good right now, and together with 558, they've definitely got a thing going. 4628 working with them also. That's Sentient Robotics. They're in the middle of the field right now. Now it is Red Alliance's turn. Their hub is active, but they've got to get some. They've got to get some fuel to be scored in there. Having a little bit of trouble. 1991, the Dragons seems to have some mobility problems. That'll be some work they have to do after this match. It's currently 93-25. Blue just has 7 more points that they need to get in order to get that ranking point for Energized. And it looks like they're well on their way to doing it. 558 has got that nice shot happening and coming down. Working together, 5142. 4628, Sentient Robotics. This is their first competition. They're still working on getting their intake and their shooter going, but they'll get better as this goes on. And with 30 seconds left, both hubs are now active. And we've got shots from the human player are shooting in it. They are doing all the scoring now. So watch what the Red Alliance is trying to do. 11409 is going to try to hopefully move some fuel to the corral, and then the human players can shoot it in. It is possible to get 100 points that way. There they go. Look at them. They're shoveling that in there. And now watch their human players. Let's see how their shots are. 1, 2. Ooh, missed 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4, 5. And as time expires. It was a good effort, a good pivot and strategy using the human players to score since they were anti-autonomous. As a result of that match, it was won by the Blue Alliance. Final score of 182-38. 24 fuel in autonomous, 143 in teleop, and a ranking point. So that's 4 ranking points. A lot of teams are good at getting that, getting over 100. And Sentient Robotics went up 6 spots to number